Hello, this is Chris from Curbside Laundries, and today I'll be explaining the Return on Advertising Spend report, or ROAS report. The ROAS report utilizes UTM codes to provide insights for owners and marketing teams to determine the success of a digital marketing campaign. After it is enabled in the software, the ROAS report can be found under the Marketing category in Reports, Return on Advertising Spend. Let's have a brief look at the UI. At the top, we have filters that can be used to better extrapolate data from the specific date range we select. The first two determine which months are shown, and the last Time Included box determines how much time will have passed since the advertisements were clicked on. Below the filters, the boxes calculate a total sales from your advertisements based on the UTM campaigns. This also tells you how those sales are distributed between brand new or re-engaged customers. Once we have at least one customer that has clicked on a link and completed an order, we will begin to populate this table with data. Here's an example from one of our customers. All you would have to do at this point is to modify the ad spend number. In this field, you would simply input exactly what you spent on advertising fees for that month. We recommend placing an estimate at the beginning of the month or when you're first able, and then updating this estimate with the final spend at the end of the month. Here, we can see the numbers that were directly caused by the ad campaign, the sales from those ad campaigns, and the percentage of return of our investments for ads and advertisements, as well as the number of new and re-engaged customers. If we click these drop-down arrows, we can get more information about each customer, number of orders they have made, as well as the original UTM campaign name. If we click on the re-engaged customers list, we can further see the days since the customer's last order, so we can determine if our marketing is bringing back former customers. This customer came back to place an order after nearly 2 years. It's important to note that the ROAS percentage is likely going to remain low for some time. That's okay. It takes time for the return on an advertisement or marketing campaign investment to show. This information simply helps you to make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing efforts. Let's see this report in action. First, our marketing team creates a UTM coded link. This link is placed on an ad account, such as Facebook ads or Google ads. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will pay $4,500 to have Google place our website on the sponsored list on the first page of Google for the month of March. After 1 month, we come back to the ROAS report and see that our campaign has led to 11 new customers and re-engaged 13 previous customers. We input $4,500 on the ad spend field and the data is automatically calculated. In 1 month, those customers created 31 new orders and brought in a revenue of $2,960. Our ROAS percentage then is 66%, since we only attained 66% of our advertising cost. For April, we spent another $4,500 for more time on the sponsored links page. For our second month, we re-engage 2 new customers, and after all orders are combined, we break even with just over $4,500, meeting the return on our original investment in advertising. It took a month in this case, but in most cases, it may take up more months for the ROAS to meet 100%. We continue spending $4,500 on the next month, and it goes by in a flash. The next 2 months go by, and we still get new customers and re-engage previous customers each month. However, those original customers from March have now made 78 orders and have spent nearly $6,700 with us so far. The ROAS percentage from that month is now 148%. In time, this number will increase as those customers continue to do business with us, ever increasing the return on our original $4,500 advertising investment from April. With this invaluable tool, we hope to empower business owners and marketing teams to use this data in optimizing their marketing and advertising efforts. We want to show owners the value in repeated customers, because one ad click means one potential customer, a customer that may stay with your business for a lifetime. Furthermore, consider that this list includes customers that have only made one order from the ad click. The more orders that a customer places in the first year with you, the more likely they will remain a loyal customer to you. This allows you to potentially market towards them with a promo code to entice them to make their second or third or even fourth order. We hope you've enjoyed this look and explanation of our ROAS report and how it functions, and we are excited to hear from you any feedback regarding your business success. This is Chris from Curbside Laundries, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.